Hello everyone, today I'm going to be installing hard drives in the Yotta Master 3.5 hard drive. It came in a box with this one, an instruction manual, and a box of random stuff. So I'm going to take a look at the box of random stuff right now. We got USB to Type A, C to Type A, USB Type C to C, plug, a 12-volt adapter looks like, a bunch of screws. Oh, they even give you the Torx screwdriver. That's fine. I got my own stuff, and that's it from the box. And then the hard drive case is, I don't know. I don't know what to say about it. It looks like an old Apple computer. That's all I have to say, because it just looks like. Woo. Yeah, it's got those I don't know, those cuts that make it look like it. The U-shaped top and bottom, and just, I don't know. I guess they really wanted it to go for that audience. But I'm going to attach it to a Linux Raspberry Pi. So it's not going to happen. Alright, let me move that power adapter out the way. Oh, I already lost a screwdriver, but let's start with... you know what? I got it here. I'm too lazy to... Actually, I'm not too lazy to pick out the right bit on this. No! Okay, so... That was bad. So, yeah, that's why I like iFixit. Because iFixit has a bunch of screws that will match up. Oh, is this even a security bit? No, it's not. But the one they gave me in the box is a security bit, I believe. Is this the right fit? Yeah, that's the right fit. Okay, so we're going to be using iFixit shit instead. So, apparently you got to remove both of these screws off of the back. This pops out. Ooh. Hey, what's going on here? Unscrew the top. Yeah, oh. It just all comes out. Don't it? Oh, okay. And I have to unplug. There's kind of a little wire here. Right there. Yeah, right there. I have to unplug that thing, apparently. And then that comes off. That's cool. Next, remove the inner frame from the hard drive enclosure. Already there, bud. I'm just gonna put that right there, I guess. I don't really need this if I'm gonna be using the iFixit kit as my rest. Alright. Remove the inner frame. Oh, remove the bracket somehow? Okay, so there's like some kind of bracket here that I gotta remove. Oh. Okay, that was easy. Okay, remove. Okay, so now I gotta take these. And gotta grab my hard drives. So right now I'm going to be in this configuration. I'm going to be using two HGST 4TB hard drives in RAID 1. There we go. Yeah, HGST. I always keep forgetting the what it's supposed to be called. It's just it doesn't have the same brand name as Iron Wolf or Seagate or some other hard drives have like really memorable names. This one I just didn't give a hoot. It was the cheapest one for 4 terabytes. And that seems to be where the market is right now. Is you get your biggest bang for your buck with 4 terabytes. It was $60 a pop. So it wasn't too bad, because if you get the next one up at 6 terabytes, it's like $100. And that's like 40 bucks for 2 terabytes. So it wasn't like the best deal. And then 8 terabytes is like 50 something, and I just didn't want to deal with all that price. So okay, so they want me to take my hard drives. I got my 4 little doodads right here. Apparently it's going to be exactly like... Okay, so they're going to line up like this somehow. And you see all the boards got the SATA ports, and it's going to slide right in there. So I got to figure out which one of these holes. Okay, so you want to do... If you're looking at it from here, this one, you want to do the back 2 holes from the port. Looks like. So you're gonna take your rubber rings, take them all out, I guess. Put them in the hard drive tray, or not the hard drive tray, but I'm gonna put in my iFixit tray, so that way I don't lose any of them, but I still have them all available to me. Now they say just take the washer, put it on there, and then screw it on right there. I should probably get the other tip. There we go. Yeah, it looks like you can just tighten it by hand. Doesn't take too much effort. Get my next one. Always remember to put the that rubber piece in there. It looks like it's gonna be... Those rubber pieces are generally used for stabilization and making sure your hard drive doesn't bounce around too much. Now, when dealing with hard drives, you don't want to try and like move them around all fast, like even if it's in powered down state, because the needle inside might jump a bit and scratch up things. So once you got this all assembled, try not to move it too much. Alright, and so we got that fully done. And you just put it in backside, looks like. And plop it right down. Ooh, this one looks like it's gonna be up. There we go. Nope. Where are you gonna... Okay, so it looks like it clicks in, down, and then you just shove it forward. Alright. Hey, that's pretty nice. Oh, crud. This one doesn't have a fan. I should have just gotten one of the other ones. Looks like this is all just passive cooling. I was hoping to get a fan in one of these because that's a little bit better. Oh man. But it was the second cheapest one out there because I was looking at a refurbished one. But then I thought it's refurbished. So yeah. And Yotta Masters seem to have a decent amount of people using them. Hopefully. No! Wrong one. Hopefully, this doesn't burn out on me in the first 2 weeks. Or my hard drives don't burn out on me. Well, that's why I got RAID 1. Instead of RAID 0 or just a bunch of drives. That I'm gonna not put that into that. Alright. So, one side's done. There we go. And you see, if you see, they got those 4 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4. And those screws just sit right in there. Plunk right down. And do I have to tighten these up a bit more? Yeah, I have to tighten these up a bit more. Looks like they're really good at tolerances because I have to tighten these screws in order to get it in. So that's pretty good right there from a manufacturing standpoint. Although if it's too tight, you can't have your product in use. There we go. Also, that slam isn't really good for the hard drive. Alright, and so you just slide it in like the other one. Now, let's see what the thing is. Yeah, do the same from the other side. After installing both hard drives. Oh, okay, so that... Let me clean up a bit. So this doodad that we took off has to be put back into place because it holds the hard drives in place. Oh. Well, I mean, huh. Was that too easy? I guess so. I guess it just got bent in shipping. Oh no, it needs to go the other way. That, I guess, makes more sense. Yeah, okay. Alright, that makes more sense. Because you see that lip right there? If you take a look at it, that lip is supposed to be facing out that way. Alright. Next. Alright, we're just doing it in reverse. Yep, alright. Slide the enclosure back into... Oh, man. Oh, well. Looks like it's... You can do it either way. We're going to test that theory right now. Cool. And then you. Alright. So that slid right on. Okay, so I don't know if you can see this. Okay. But, alright. Come on, focus on me. But if you can see this, there's 2 notches on this cable. Which way is it? It's this way. I can even barely see them. But there's 2 notches there that line up with 2 notches on there. And so they do that so you don't screw it up. So you clip that in, you put it back on. Ooh, I'm not liking this construction at all. This button's kind of off center. Let's see if I can take it apart real quick. And you're not budging. It doesn't look like you're gonna see too much action, I guess. So you just do that. Make sure everything lines up. And then take my iFixit toolkit. Put the right thing on there. Get the 2 screws we removed from it on the first step. Screw them back in. Screw them back in. And RAID controller RAID 1 is 1 down and 2 up. There, so I don't need to set it. So there are little switches right here you can set for RAID. They got the instructions right on the back if you can see that. Focus, camera, focus. But the one I'm using is RAID 1, which is 1 down and 1 up. And so 1 down, 2 up, or 1 down, 1 up. If you can make that out. And hard drives have been installed. Where are those? Okay, the cable's right here. I'm not using USB Type-C to Type-C. I strictly got this for a Raspberry Pi setup that I'm going to be doing in the future. So, whoop. Yeah, no, that works. Okay, that clicks in. Let's put these away really quick, because I don't think I'm going to need my iFixit toolkit unless something goes wrong. And just move that off to the side just to be safe. All right. Now this one's a 12 volt 4 amp. Yep, 12 volt 4 amp power supply, which I'm gonna just attach to my. Alright. Attach really quick to my test setup. Now I'm not gonna plug it in right away. I wanna make sure that it turns on without exploding, which is a nice thing. Okay, it's spinning up. Yotta Master kind of looks okay, so it's got. I gotta bring you down. This is gonna ruin my entire setup, but whatever at this moment. All right. So right now, it has some shiny lights right there. 2 blue LEDs. I assume that's to make sure that both hard drives are working. You got, oh, I think I have to click this in order to initiate the RAID. 2, 3, 4, 5. I think that works. Alright, let me just throw you down right here. Alright, and we're gonna, oh, not fall over, please. Whee! Okay. So, now that I got that installed, connect to computer. Alright. We're gonna have to yoink that in right into here. How to use the RAID function. RAID 1, 50% of the hard drive space is going to be used. Yada, yada, yada. How to set up RAID. Toggle the switches. Press and hold the set. Then start the HG. Oh. I did it wrong. Okay. Okay, Yotta Master. This is why. Oh, I can even use you as a... Alright, so I'm going to turn it off for a second because it says... Okay. Toggle the RAID switches, which I did. RAID 1 is 1 up, or 1 down. 1 down, 1 up. Then I press and hold the set button, then start the hard drive enclosure. About 6 seconds later, release the set button. RAID mode is completed. After the success of RAID will be generated. A new hard drive. You must first initialize the format partitions before it can be used normally. Alright. I think that was 6 seconds. RAID mode 1. Oh, okay. So the front, the blue lights mean they're good, and then they turn red when it happens, when something bad happens. Warm prompt. Alright, so I can probably plug this in. That end's plugged in, and we got... Alright, so I gotta do the rest on my computer. So, let's get that set up really quick. Cool. Let's change modes to... Alright. Coding. Alright, there we go. I guess that's where... Oh, I have too big of a stream right now. There we go. Now I gotta go into Windows and format a new drive. I keep... Hopefully, I don't know how to... Disk management. There we go. Come on. So 1 terabyte, 2 terabytes, and then we got did you not? Alright, so, oh, it's on my other screen. Alright. So, it didn't detect it. What's going on here? Come on. Alright. So... Yotta Master, come on. Don't be a... Don't be a pain in my butt right now, please. So if I wanted to play around with something, I would have gotten a better hard drive. Let's try... Ooh. Screw this. Testing needs to be done. Alright, so that's the most secure connection I have on my USB ports. Alright, let's try Device Manager. Device Manager. Going for Universal. Am I gonna have to just do USB Type-C to USB Type-C? Human interface. Nope. It's not detecting Yotta Master. That's actually quite bad. Alright, last try with this USB Type A. If it's the cable, I'll give it to them, but it really annoys me. Does it say how long RAID's supposed to set up for or something? No. Do I have to set up the hard drives before I'm supposed to do that? I don't think so. Okay, I'm going to shut off the Yotta Master. Turn it back on. Okay, so something did hook up. But it's not. I can't actually play around with it because I don't know what it is. Yeah, so I don't know exactly what I'm supposed to do now. Because if I do this, let's see. Yeah, it freaks out for a second. Is it in my hard drives? Disk space. Oh, wait, is it? No, Hitachi. One, two, three, four, five. One, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so one of these is not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so stupid me. I was looking. Okay, so this one. Storage volumes. Driver. Update driver. Search online. Okay, so close that. Okay, so it's all right. So properties, policies, volumes. Okay, so I got to set this up. So we're gonna go back to, so my thing can detect it. We're gonna go back to disk management. All right. Oh, okay. So now it's giving me a prompt to do disk 5. All right. About, yeah, that's 4 terabytes right there. We're gonna do a new simple volume. Next. Next. Yeah. Wait, no. Do I want to do a complicated one? Next. Next. Yeah. Wait. What can I do that's? No, I can't really do anything else with it. So next. 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 Just go for the default and just label this as I want to say online storage, because this is going to go to a like I said, I'm going to set this up as a streaming server for the Raspberry Pi. So I'm going to try and format it. Okay, we're all formatted. Okay, so I didn't need to set up any RAID thing because it has a RAID controller in the enclosure, which is that's weird. Oh man. All right, so what's blinking lights do? Okay. So it just takes a second for the hard drive to realize that it's, or the computer to realize that the hard drive is attached. Yada yada yada, simple wizard, yada yada yada. Void warranty. Exceeded warranty period. Okay, no. Unauthorized disassembly or maintenance. That's again, no duh. I wouldn't want to take this apart anyways. Warranty void if there is a natural disaster such as a fire or earthquake. Wow. Failure caused by accessories which is not manufactured by Yotta Master. Yotta Master does not do hard drives, so they can legally claim that hey, you used something that wasn't Yotta Master inside it. That's dumb, but that's probably what their catch is on that one. Warranty void if there is no proof of purchase. Since I purchased it on Amazon, there'll probably be a link in the description somewhere. Unless I find that this is a piece of garbage moving forward. But I don't think that. This was the cheapest one that I saw. A lot of people said they had high reviews on, so I'm gonna try and do my own thing with it. Barcode or okay, missing or alter. All right, so don't scratch any of the barcodes off. Don't do anything dumb with it. That's all it's saying. 12-month warranty and lifetime technical support. Huh. Alright, so Yotta Master. We're gonna find out if this is a good product or not. See y'all later in the guess after credits? No, no. We're gonna do another review on this after I actually get it reviewed. This was just unboxing. So, see y'all later.